Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you a quick fix for when Microsoft Edge keeps opening search results in a new tab instead of the current one, specifically when searching on Bing.com. And now let's get started. This issue often occurs when you click on a search result on Bing.com. By default, Edge might open these results in a new tab, which can be disruptive to your browsing flow. Interestingly, if you try the same action on Google.com, search results typically open in the same tab. The solution lies within Edge's settings. To fix this, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Look for the hamburger icon, which consists of 3 horizontal lines, located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find the section related to the address bar and search. Here, you will see an option titled Show Preview for Search Results. You need to uncheck the box next to this option. Once you have unchecked it, click on Save. You do not need to close and reopen Edge for this change to take effect. You can now try searching on Bing.com and click on a search result. You will notice that the results will now open in the same tab, resolving the issue. If you ever wish to revert these changes, you can follow the same steps. Click on the hamburger icon, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services, locate the Show Preview for Search Results option, and check the box again. Then, click Save to restore your settings to their previous state. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.